Okay, this is just a quick overview of this Polaris P955. It's a fantastic time saver, as well as keeping your pool sparkling. I ordered this one because it just has a remote. The other higher model than this has a app for your phone, but I don't think I need that. I haven't needed it since I've been using this. I just use a remote to pick up some debris that hasn't picked up, or a leaf that fell in later. So that's all you need. Tried something new this year. I put the sub pump, the pump that pumps off the cover, in the pool, in the stairs, and I threw in a jug of chlorine and turned on the pump and just poured the chlorine into the stairs, into the bucket where the pump is, and circulated it. And then the next day when I checked it, the pool wasn't green anymore. It just had dirt in the bottom. Yeah, I just want to show you where I pour the chlorine. Pumps it over there to circulate it. And I just pour the chlorine right down into that bucket. It seems to stay there because it's heavier than water. And I just recirculate it for a couple hours. As you can see, it's not green, it's brown. Boy, I have to tell you something. Oh, that sauce. I just rolled up that cover there all by myself. Yes, I'm doing this all by myself again, as usual. But we'll get her done. I have the P955 Polaris all put together now. And I'm going to try to open the pool today. I'm going to vacuum it manually just to drain. I'll throw this in, see how it works. I'm ready to throw it in the pool. Hopefully I don't have any issues. I'm going to set it for deep clean, bottom and side walls, and square pool. And I'm going to drop it in the water. Press start. Okay, so let's check out the basket. That's not too bad. This pool cleaner only comes with a coarse basket. You'll need this fine mesh basket to get all the fine silt out of the bottom of the pool. It really does work well. Easy to change. Yeah, we're just going to drop this filter right in there. Buddy. That's his name now, Buddy. This is what I like to do right after the pool is clean. Actually, I do this every day when I come home from work. This is a great little pool cleaner. I use it for cleaning a 32 by 16 in-ground pool. I thought I loved vacuuming the pool by hand. It seemed like meditation to me. Having something to do that for you is fantastic. Not only that, but boy does that thing clean. It is because it scrubs as it moves along the bottom. Something you can't do by hand. You can scrub while vacuuming by hand, but boy is that a struggle. And while it's cleaning, you can get other things done around the house too, like cut the grass. That might be a good or bad thing. The wife used to cut the grass while I cleaned the pool. Now I do both. Great. Before I purchased one, I borrowed one from the pool supplier. You can try out different ones to see which one works best for you. But remember, once you do, you'll be hooked.